Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage, junk here basically. Well, not terribly exciting stuff anyway. The cars were in a box, 4 cars for £1. I spotted that one was a slot car, so I thought I'd buy it anyway. I don't do slot cars, but they are good motors in them, because they're usually designed to run on, is it 9 or 12 volts, something like that. So they're good little motors. And I was even thinking, with the crown gear and pinion gear, where you've got a that direction to that direction, might be handy to make a outboard motor with it for one of the boats. I did one a long time ago. I was just thinking I could possibly do another one. So I won't do that immediately. I'll put this in my box of toy cars, out of one box and into another, where I've got several slot cars anyway. This one's made by Hornby, which I think they did, I think they took over Scalextric, I can't remember now. Certainly have that in the back of my mind, that Hornby owned Scalextric. I may be completely wrong, I'm sure somebody will tell me. I'm just wondering if that's a magnet on the back now. Yeah, it's one of those, what I would class as a cheat. Has a magnet to help hold it on the track. Anyway, it looks fine. I suppose I could just put a battery on there and see if it actually runs. What have I got here? 8 1.5 volt batteries, so 12 volts. Looks okay. Just reverse that, get it run the other way. Yeah, so that one works. So 25 pence, 4 for £1. That one, Burago, Porsche 911 Carrera. That's the sort of Porsche I remember. In fact, talking about slot cars, one of my very first slot cars when I was a youngster was a Porsche Carrera. Seem to remember it went okay. Don't know if this one's got anything in it. I don't think so. I was just wondering what that little white dot is just there. I think that's just the internal plastic bodywork. Interior. 1/43 scale. So these 3 things I just picked up to go with that, so I actually had the full 4 for £1. Because last time when I just bought one item they got all confused. So, oh, that's a Renault, isn't it? I think we can tell that written all over it. Okay, Renault, Porsche, that little thing, it's got soft rubber tyres, and it is a pullback, I think. Doesn't seem to go very well, but it is a pullback. I just thought those nice little rubber tyres might be handy for something at some time. That pullback doesn't seem to do much. It's got some sort of a lever under there, I don't know what that's for. What's that about? Maybe somebody can tell me. Maybe it's for towing something or being towed. 1982 Stunt Riders. So that's supposed to do some sort of stunt. Looks like something's broken off just there. Lin Toys, no, LJN Toys Limited, made in Macau, MACAO. Yeah, so I wonder what that's all about. I wonder what they're supposed to do. So that pullback doesn't seem to do very much. Strange little thing. And then finally, a very well beaten up clockwork train. And I did think I might just use that clockwork for one of my little boats. So I got a clockwork boat. Whether it'll drive it or not. But that's what I was doing in the shop, sitting there, kneeling on the floor, rummaging through the box, trying to decide which 4 items to pick up for my pound. And I thought, yeah, maybe make that into a motor for a boat. So that's the 4 cars, and then another one of these SkyTouch 2 rubber powered model aeroplanes. I've done quite a few of these over the years. 99p for that. I did look quickly, I think it's complete. Yeah. It's the biplane that you stick the wings together with sticky tape. I suppose I could put that together as part of my put a rubber band on it channel, being as it's rubber band powered. I don't think I've done one of them on that channel. I'll have to check. I've forgotten now. So I have done 2 or 3 of these over the years. Definitely 2, maybe 3. I've got several of them upstairs in the cupboard, still in the box, ready to put together. They only take a few seconds to put together, sort of thing I can have in the back of the car. And they fly okay, well enough for keeping the grandchildren occupied. And at 99p I'm quite happy to pay that for that. So there you go, that was today's charity shop Gold or Garbage. That one wants to go now. Weird. 4 cars and a rubber band powered aeroplane.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.